Guys, welcome to my channel, Mr. Good Channel 1. Today I want to show you smartphone LG G6. It's very good smartphone. I buy it because very good price and quality for buying for this year. Okay, let's look for the inside. It's very big screen, as you can see, very bright. We can adjust brightness. It's have last Android. It's very okay. Let's look what's inside box we have. We have injection for SIM. Okay, instructions about smartphone, a charger and a cable. This is cable, it has Type-C. Okay, and we have the headphones. For this price, the headphones is very good quality. This button to stop and play music and calls, stop calls. Okay, I want to say this quality of the screen is very good. This we have for headphones, fingerprint scanner and cameras. Very loud dynamics, microphones. We have for this smartphone Snapdragon 821 and last Android 8 Android. Thank you for watching this video. I recommend this smartphone. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments. Subscribe to my channel.